In a few minutes, the Senate's going to vote on the confirmation of Judge Nancy Maldonado to serve on the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit, which the presiding officer and I know very well. Since the beginning of the Biden administration, the Senate has confirmed 201 highly qualified, independent, even-handed judges to the federal bench. They represent the best of our legal system, demographically and professionally diverse. They respect the rule of law, they adhere to precedent, and they answer only to the Constitution. We should add another to that list today, Judge Maldonado, an accomplished litigator and a distinguished juror who will be a great asset to the Seventh Circuit. She graduated from Harvard College and Columbia Law School. She clerked for U.S. District Judge Ruben Castillo, a retired judge and my friend and an esteemed jurist in the Northern District. Following her clerkship, Judge Maldonado spent nearly 20 years at a firm specializing in employment, civil rights, and fraud matters. Throughout her career, she tried several cases to verdict, judgment, and final decision. In addition, she was appointed by the Cook County State's Attorney's Office to serve as a special assistant tasked with investigating fraud. From 2019 to 2022, she was appointed by the Illinois Attorney General to serve as a consent decree monitor in 2 matters and a special AG to investigate consumer fraud. You can draw the conclusion from these appointments that she's trusted by her colleague to be professional. In 2022, the Senate confirmed Judge Maldonado on a bipartisan vote supported by the presiding officer and myself to the U.S. District Court for the Northern District of Illinois. Since her confirmation, she has presided over almost 1,000 cases. That's in a matter of just 2 years plus, ruled on thousands of motions, and issued approximately 300 substantive decisions. Notably, Judge Maldonado has never been reversed by a reviewing court in that period of time, nearly 1,000 cases. Despite what her critics have to say, her record is one of the best. This shows she carefully resolves cases in a way that ensures litigants feel they've been treated fairly. Once confirmed, Judge Maldonado will be the first Hispanic judge to ever serve on the Seventh Circuit. History will be made. Judge Maldonado has my strong support and support of my other home state senator and good friend, the presiding officer, Senator Tammy Duckworth. Judge Maldonado incidentally received a unanimous, well-qualified rating from the American Bar Association based on her integrity, professional competence, and judicial temperament. She has broad support across the legal community, from law enforcement to labor unions, representing millions of members. I urge my Senate colleagues to join me in confirming this highly qualified nominee.